We make roughly 80,000 decisions a day, and just one of those can change your entire life's outlook. That is how important the role of decision making is. Now, the question is, are you making the right decisions when it comes down to it? Something huge in your life that could create a huge ripple effect. Are you making the right decision, whether it be positive or negative? Well, whenever you're making decisions, you should always be basing them off of three things, not just randomly guessing. The first and foremost thing, congruency. Authenticity is key in making decisions. Does your actions and intentions align with your true values and your beliefs? Because if not, I could tell you right now, you won't feel fulfilled. Listen, I'll give you an example. Say you value human health and you also value money, which you so happen to be low on. And you need to know how you can make some extra money on the side quick. Well, you also know, unfortunately, that there's a lot of money to be made in selling drugs. But that harms human health, and you know that. So if you chose that decision to make money and then go against your core beliefs and values, you won't feel fulfilled in the end, no matter how much money you have, no matter how many cars or planes or houses that you have, because you didn't make the right decision because it wasn't authentic. Number two, logical levels. This is a pyramid that you need to travel up in order to change a behavior, but it can also help in making the correct decisions. You see, we have identity, values and beliefs, capabilities, behaviors, and environment. And when you travel up and down this list, you can figure out, okay, what do I truly believe in? What am I capable of? Okay, what is in the environment that can possibly help me or hurt me? And when you see these things and dissect each one, then it will allow you to create the best possible decision for your set circumstance. And guess what happens when we stand for what we believe in? Then we actually make better choices, because once again, it's congruent, it's authentic to ourselves. Beware of what's going through your ears when making a decision, because an unexpected sound can lead to riskier choices. A study at Yale found that unexpected sounds before making a decision led to more riskier choices. This is because the unexpected sound triggered a boost of dopamine in the brain, which then affected the orbital frontal cortex and the anterior cingulate cortex, which are regions in the frontal lobe that impact and shift decision making. And the third and final thing to making good decisions would be, does this decision expand you, your life, or your future of possibilities for yourself? And I want you to remember, do not base decision making on that heavy and light feeling. For example, you may be speaking at a conference in front of a lot of people, and that could feel very heavy. But it could be the right decision to make, especially if you want to become an influencer, public speaker, or you just want to grow your personal brand. We only do the heavy and light thing, inspiration and desperation, with goals. So if you want to learn about that, click here. Otherwise, go make the right decisions.